Why should you start a YouTube channel? One of the most common questions that I get asked is, why should I start a YouTube channel? There are already so many out there. Suppose you are thinking about starting a gaming channel. Currently on YouTube, there are literally hundreds of channels solely dedicated to gaming, showcasing a diverse range of content. How can your channel even make a difference? It is very common to get demotivated even before we start. However, we often forget that every content creator started with 0 views and 0 subscribers. But the only difference between them and others is that they started their YouTube journey. However, most people lack proper mentors and structured guidance and therefore are just too scared to start. We need to look at the bigger picture. So let's go over some YouTube insights and statistics that should get you excited. Here are some key insights and facts about YouTube. There are 2.3 billion plus active users of YouTube worldwide. YouTube is the second most widely used social media platform in the world. Only Facebook has more users. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world. The first most visited site in the world is Google. India has the most YouTube users, estimated at 462 million. The United States is at second place with 239 million users. YouTube is used by everyone from individuals to students, parents, businesses, farmers, professionals for varied tasks such as getting information, education, news, services, new product info, latest trends, etc. YouTube has something for everyone. YouTube is available in more than 80 different languages and is localized in more than 100 countries. For example, if you open YouTube in Germany, it says DE, which is Deutschland. In the UK, it says GB, which stands for Great Britain. In France, it says FR. There are over 500 hours of video content uploaded to YouTube every minute. That makes 720,000 hours of video uploaded every day on YouTube. 70% of YouTube watch times comes from mobile devices. This mobile-friendly aspect of YouTube allows users to conveniently access and consume content anytime, anywhere, contributing to YouTube's widespread popularity and usage. The YouTube content creator economy has grown to a $104 billion industry. There are no signs of this trend slowing down. In fact, it's only growing. With the global population exceeding 8 billion individuals, over 66% of the world's population has internet access and engages with social media. Therefore, every day, more people are coming online, contributing to the increasing demand for digital content on YouTube and thereby creating more opportunities for content creators like you. YouTube is the leading social media platform that enables content creators from around the globe to discover new opportunities, share their passion, skills, and interest with their audience, as well as building careers and new businesses, while at the same time generating considerable passive income. So, that is why you should start a YouTube channel, and if you haven't started one yet, you're potentially missing out on a world of opportunities.